Myself Dhruti Dash.
Myself Mahira Farhan.
We are from 11th Science from Delhi Public School, Joka, South Kolkata. So this entire thing is actually a representation of the voting system. The name of our model is Ultra Secure Voting System. This entire model will help create a secure society, a democratic country and a Atmanirbhar society where people themselves can vote the government they like. Please demonstrate the entire process. So, first we are enrolling the citizen. The finger will be placed here. We'll be sensing the finger. So when she is putting a finger here, the fingerprint sensor sensed it and finally it's successful. Now she is aligned for voting. This EVM got unlocked after verification. Now she is allowed to vote. Voted C. Now it is logged again. Now she will again place her votes. But see, there is no result. This indicates a person cannot vote more than once. Now again suppose that person came and again she is having to be verified. She gave a fingerprint, but see, it came already voted. This shows that no matter what a person does, no matter how a person comes again and again, this EVM will not get unlocked more than once. This entire system will help create such a society where every voter will have their own right to select a government they like without any pressure. Hence, I will like to end by the challenges that are being faced, like proxy voting, booth capturing, polling booth disturbances and the pressure created on the presiding officer. Everything will be solved with the help of this system. And the main motto, one person, one vote.
Being the youth of this country, I think we should take initiative and we actually feel very proud of ourselves, and it was like our idea, and coming to this part we want to use this platform to show that yes, we can change and change what is happening, and it feels very great for us that we can share our idea. And
ma'am, to be honest, being a person who has never ever given vote, I want to create a society for our future generation also and for us also, that a society should be prepared in such a way so that we can feel safe to choose what we like. So last but not the least,
we cannot change the mindset of the people, but of course we can improve the process which will influence the mindset. First of all, these kind of science fairs are a platform for us so that we can share our idea and everything. So when we are given such an opportunity, we should use it wisely, bring our ideas so that we get more exposure, which will help of course in our future life also.
And we must not think of the result, but we must just try and try so that whatever we do, it just reflects in the outer environment, so that we came from our school, I would like my future friends also and my family men also, that they should come and influence with all these things. They should be influenced from us, they should be motivated from us, so that they can also represent what they think and show it to the outer world.